This right here, my friend, is our boat ramp launch. Very smooth. This is day use area for non-campers as well as campers alike. So you might have people here that are not camping. I'm gonna shade over the left just because of that mountain view. Look at that. That is beautiful Mount Bachelor. And here is our very smooth, high quality boat ramp launch. Today, as I said before, is October 17, 2025. So you got a little bit of autumn foliage, some fall color across the way, and those trees, a little bit of yellow, very pretty. So this is an above average quality boat ramp launch. I mean, I do a lot of reviews, so I see a lot of boat ramp launches, and this is really high quality, relatively smooth, and it's right into the water. Infinity pool style, I like to say. So dig in this boat ramp launch. I think this is good. This is definitely top tier, top third in the area. Maybe not the best in the world, but really high quality. So we got a large parking area for the boat ramp launch for your truck and trailer. You got that side and you got a little overflow on that side. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. The absolutely beautiful, incredible Mount Bachelor. Also say, the more you come over on this shoreline, you got the top of Broken Top straight ahead, and then around the corner of this little cluster of trees, ultimately you got South Sister, which is arguably the star of this zone. Definitely the tallest in this area. And come along this pristine, world-class zone right on the banks of Elk Lake. And look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful, my friend? The absolutely incredible South Sister. So this is one of our lake shoreline access points from Site 7. Here's our money shot of South Sister, Broken Top, and our good trusty friend, Mount Bachelor. So here's your money shot view of Bachelor from the boat ramp launch. Pan back around here. So you got a pretty large parking zone for trucks and trailers there on the left. You got a little overflow area on the right. Keep in mind this is a day use boat ramp launch, so you don't have to be one of the 9 campers in order to be enjoying this. Be pretty busy. But I gotta say, overall, this is a really high quality, long, smooth boat ramp. Perfect to launch your boat into this beautiful Elk Lake. Very classic. So that was our boat ramp launch day use area. It's a gorgeous view of Mount Bachelor. Okay, so I just looked at all 9 campsites here at Campground Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. I gotta say, this is my favorite of the 3 campgrounds around Elk Lake on the west shoreline. It's a small campground, there's only 9 sites. My favorite are number 7, which is the only multi. I think it's well worth it for the premium cost. And then 6, and then 4, and then 9. I think those are the best 4. Particularly 7, though, was world class. The other 5, I'd probably take or leave it. The other 5 are more of a base camp utility play. You just want to be in the area. Maybe you're boating, you're doing some world class hiking, going up Three Sisters Wilderness. You just have the 3 squares in the cop mentality. All 9 of them are serviceable, but the 4 I mentioned, 7, 6, 4, and 9 are the only 4 that I'd say are idyllic destination sites. Worth trying to book them at 6:59, 7 a.m. on Recreation.gov. So I gotta say, Deschutes National Forest, my favorite national forest in all of Oregon. Three Sisters Wilderness, my favorite wilderness area in all of Oregon. So you put those together, I am a super fan of Central Oregon. Absolutely love it. That's why I live here. Last but not least, I gotta say, I think the multi-site 7 is one of the very best campsites in the entire Cascade Lake Scenic Byway area. I'd make a point of coming to stay here if I could. That concludes my campground review. I highly recommend Point Campground.